My father attached himself and attached good Jewishness to the, I forgot the signs of my age, to the prophets, not to David or Moses, but to the prophets, who were invariably anti the leader, who invariably were trying to make the Jewish nation better than the leader was trying to make the Jewish nation. So they were prophet-oriented and could quote prophets from the Bible very easily. And they were forever talking about the needs of the people, the requirement that every Jew, every Jewish farmer should leave a portion of his crop for the poor, that every Jewish family should welcome strangers to the dinner table, various things of that sort that demonstrated that to be a Jew you had to be, a Jew had to be a good person. You couldn't be a bad person and be a Jew. So they attached, as I mentioned, they attached themselves and their political leanings to that.